how to activate Halifax debit card. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can activate the Halifax card debit. How you can activate your debit card of Halifax. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web application and at the top search bar type in www.halifax.co.uk. As you do so, you will land onto its official website. From here, tap onto the menu option and tap onto borrowing. As you move on to credit cards section, under quick links, you will see activate your card. Tap open that option and it says that you can activate your card by two methods. One is using your mobile bank app, another is online form guide. You can directly log into your online banking app and select the bottom part that says activate credit card. Likewise, you can also do it by using online form guide. To do that, expand that option. For that, you have to tap on activate your card. And from here, you can activate your credit card of Halifax. As per the debit card of Halifax, that is automatically activated after you purchase it. So this is how you can activate your debit or credit card of Halifax. That will be the end of today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated and thank you for watching.